What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So check this out. I've made this video before, but I think I'm going to make it again because the last time I made it, I couldn't show you exactly what I was doing because my wheels were already programmed. Well, my TPMS sensors were already programmed. And I know people still need to know. So I recently changed out tires. I went from my drag tires and put my factory tires back on. So now it's time to reprogram these in. Probably don't even have to reprogram, and after a while they'll probably relearn themselves. But this is a good opportunity just to go in and reprogram so I can show you exactly how it works. And all you need is this little unit right here. It's dirt cheap off Amazon. Dirt cheap. This is a tire programmer. It don't even got no name. OECT5. Look at that right there. That's all you need to know. And this is all you need. This is the only tool you need. And you can get if you're looking for TPMS sensors too, you can get those off Amazon. You can get those off Amazon too for dirt cheap. And they do work. They do work. So let me get my keys so I can show you what to do. So what you want to do is put it in accessory mode and hit the lock and unlock at the same time. Just hold it down until you hear a beep. All right, there was the beep. So now my car is in program mode. I really gotta do something about that remote. Now once it's in program mode, I know my horn sounded like crap because I had to relocate them for the supercharger. Now once it's in accessory mode, it's pretty simple from there. You just take your little thingy and point it right at the valve stem or close to it. You hear a beep. That one is programmed. You come over to the left side, the passenger side, I mean, do the same thing. Hear another beep. Then we'll go back around to the driver's side rear. Hear another beep. And then when you do the last one, if I'm not mistaken, you're gonna get two beeps. There's your two beeps. And just like that, you have recalibrated your TPMS sensor with a less than $20 tool that you can buy on Amazon. Absolutely amazing. That's it for this quick video, but you're gonna wanna make sure you turn the accessory mode off, or you're gonna come back with a drain battery. Hope you got something out of this. This your boy. I'll put a link in the description, or you can just look at the model that I showed in the video and look it up on Amazon. Either way is fine. This your boy. Peace.